Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to school. Monday morning, September 29th, 2014. I have several guests today. We have our PE teacher, Mr. Hofnagel, with us, and two boys from a kindergarten who have done such a good job. Tell everybody your name.
Felipe Ramos Morales.
Good job, Felipe. And Felipe, what's your teacher's name?
Paper.
Miss Formo.
Miss Formo.
That's right, Miss Formo. And who is this friend?
My name is Nicholas, and my teacher's name is Miss Formo.
Awesome. Good boys, doing a good job at school. Friends, let's help by standing up. We're going to get our right hand. Let's switch to this. Right here, baby. There you go. This hand, Felipe. Put this one right here. There we go. And let's all salute and say our pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Great job. Let's all take just a moment and have a time of silence. All right, let's have a seat. Uh-oh, you rolled back, didn't you? There you go. You got it? The chairs roll, that's for sure. Let's see what we've got going on. First of all, let's start with our birthday list. September 29th. No teachers. September 29th, Miss Samantha Bishop. Have a happy birthday. Come up and get your goodies just as soon as we finish our news program. Don't forget, we are, let's see, 2 more weeks, bringing in costumes to go up front. If you have any Halloween costumes or just play costumes you're not using anymore. Let's go ahead. I've got some news to talk to you about, but Mr. Hofnagel's here for something that is in our newsletter. I'm going to let him share and tell everybody what it's about.
Well, boys and girls, on Wednesday, October 8th, our school will be participating in an international day. It's called International Walk to School or At School Day, and it's celebrated all over the world, and it was started in the late 1990s, and boys and girls and students from all over the world take that morning and walk to school. Now, if you don't live close enough to walk to school in the morning, and perhaps you ride a school bus, you're still going to be able to participate, because we're going to ask all classroom teachers that on Wednesday, October 8th, to walk 3 or 4 laps around our car pickup loop out back before their recess. It should only take maybe 5 to 10 minutes, and that way you're promoting fitness and exercise and a healthy lifestyle. And those of you that ride a car in the morning, we're really going to target your parents and try and get them to park at the Food Lion parking lot or Home Depot and use our city sidewalks. It's a great time to learn about pedestrian safety, using sidewalks and crosswalks. Our city's going to be supporting us by having extra police on hand. Our high school athletes are going to be here to cheer you on as you walk into the school. And we also might have some guests from the TV news stations and newspapers. So by walking to school, boys and girls, not only are you promoting health and fitness, you're also saving the planet, because your parents aren't in the car all that extra way, so you're not putting pollution in the air. So it's a great day, Wednesday, October 8th, and we hope that you boys and girls, especially those of you that ride a car in the morning, can get mom and dad to walk a few extra blocks with you in the morning and participate in International Walk to School Day.
Awesome. Sounds like it's going to be fun. We're looking forward to that, friends. Coming up this week, we also have Curriculum Night. Our younger friends, kindergarten, first and second, on Tuesday. Bring your parents after school. Thursday is our 3rd, 4th, and our 5th graders. And so we've got a great thing planned for teachers to share what we do here at school, so invite your parents and come, and it's all in our newsletter. We also are working on recycling this month. We were newspapers and magazines. We want our 4th graders to be the winners, our school to be the winners, so bring in those items for recycling. We also have some other things coming up, mainly we have our picture day, we have our walk to school, and guys, Blue Shirt Day coming up. So we've got all those announcements, and I'll keep this over here so we're sure we're reminding you of all those good things. Life skills we've worked on, perseverance and friendship. Logan Ortiz and Miss Kay Boyd For Perseverance, Friendship, Annalie Arrowwood and Miss Kay Boyd, and in Miss Bodkins, Oscar Molinado for Friendship. Today we start our next life skill for the following 2 weeks, and that life skill is common sense, thinking about the best choice. And we've been talking about common sense when we've worked on our safety. Now let's see. Got a lot of good news. There's Felipe's card. Hold your card, buddy. Here's Nicholas's card. In Miss Matthews' class, Brett gets treasure. Jaden gets a highlighter. Maddie will come on the news with me tomorrow. I also have Silas from Bodkins receiving a popsicle. I have Jose and Massey treasure. Treasure going to Junior and Miss Campbell. A popsicle for Mary and Matthews. Elise and O'Connor popsicle. Wyatt and Miss Campbell got a lollipop. Ariel and Miss Severance gets to have movie day and she gets to pick it. Amy and Parrish treasure. And Leah and Bodkins a highlighter. Proud to say we have a friend who's doing a good job at Car Riders in the afternoon from Miss Bodkins' class, Jackson Green. Okay? We want you guys to have a super day and a great week here at Ocean Drive Elementary. Can my friends tell everybody bye?
Bye.